What are the roles, just brokers in general, residential and commercial? I mean, how do you see their role play out over the next 10 years?
Mhm.
And how do you see that transition from what they're doing today to what they're going to be doing in the future?
That's a great question. I when I sold residential real estate, that's when Open Door was coming out, Purple Tree was coming out. We at that time we were sitting in meetings with Zillow, which Zillow for their iBuy program
Yeah.
to try to get that contract. So that's when all those large companies were rolling out, and a lot of people are saying, well, they're going to take away the agent business. The agents are going to be taken away. I think that agents always get they always get uh, there's always that discussion with agents on you're paid way too much for what you
Yeah.
do. Even if it's residential, you sell a house in 24 hours, or commercial, you sell a great property and you earn a huge commission. I think that will play into a factor. With more technology rolling out, a lot of people are enjoying, in my opinion, this open door where you can go ahead and let yourself in, take a look at the
Oh, yeah.
house, and then let Open Door know if you want to buy it or not. And then even with the Open Door where you're selling your house, you just take pictures, upload it, and then they send people out to inspect and they say yes or no. I think agents' commission will get cut possibly, but I think they will always have a job. And the reason why is because it's so difficult for a seller and a buyer to be in the same room and negotiate. You're always going to need that middleman, or, not necessarily a real estate agent, but basically a therapist saying, look, seller, your property's not worth what you actually think it's worth.
Yeah.
And the buyer's showing that, and multiple buyers have shown that. So we need to come down a little bit. So I think the agent's role will always be there. I think the top agents will make a mark, and it may get a lot harder for just newbie agents to hop in and try to gain success very quickly. I think it's going to take some time.